Hey there, ready to supercharge your workflow? Let's dive into how our new Leadsquared integration with WhatsApp works seamlessly through the Eazybe Chrome extension. Picture this, you're in WhatsApp, chatting with a client. With the Eazybe extension, you can interact directly with Leadsquared without missing a beat. Need to check something in Leadsquared? Just click the extension button. And here's the best part. All your conversations with Leadsquared contacts are automatically backed up in Leadsquared. You can access these chats organized by date, making it super easy to review past interactions. Need to update a contact's profile or details? No problem. You can also create leads and opportunities in this. First, click on New Opportunity and then you can edit it. You can enter your data in this, and along with that, you can also add your leads. But wait, there's more. In this, you can create task notes and also create profiles for the leads, all directly from the extension. This setup streamlines your workflow, letting you manage follow-ups and stay organized without ever leaving WhatsApp. This integration is all about making your workflow more efficient by seamlessly connecting WhatsApp Web and Leadsquared. Thanks for tuning in. If you have any questions or need further clarification, feel free to reach out.